Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Espn app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here and you click here on apps. So and you come to next step here or apps list. Then all you have to do is you just go down here and and here can you're looking for your ESPN app. We will click on it, so then it's going to take you here in this list or app info. Then you just click here on for stop, so then you click here on OK, and you go down here, you click here on storage. So and you come to storage list, then you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.